Tokyo Travel Guide for American Tourists. Planning a trip to Tokyo. Here's everything you need to know before you go. From culture and etiquette, to money, food, safety, and transport, this guide is designed especially for travelers from the United States. So take a breath, and let's dive in. Cultural etiquette and norms. In Japan, greetings are quiet and respectful. People bow instead of shaking hands. A light handshake is fine if offered, but hugs or big gestures are rare. Personal space is important. Try not to touch others or stand too close. And keep your voice down, especially on trains, buses, and in restaurants. Phones should be on silent. Talking loudly in public feels disruptive here. When waiting, always form a line. On train platforms, stand by the door markers and let people exit before you enter. At homes, temples, and some restaurants with floor mats, remove your shoes. Wear the slippers provided. If there are special slippers for the restroom, use those only inside, and switch back when you leave. Before eating, it's polite to give a brief thank you. When finished, thank your hosts again. Never stick chopsticks upright in rice, wave them, or pass food from chopstick to chopstick. When paying, hand money into the small tray near the register, not directly into the cashier's hand. Tipping is not part of Japanese culture. Good service is already included. Tokyo is exceptionally clean, but trash bins are rare. Carry your own trash until you find one, often near convenience stores or stations. At shrines or temples, keep your tone gentle. Hats off, sunglasses off. Quiet observation is fine. And finally, try to read the air. Watch how locals behave and follow their rhythm. A simple smile and thank you always go a long way. Language and communication tips. English is common on major signs, but not everywhere. Making an effort to be polite earns appreciation. When greeting, a nod or small bow is plenty. Say hello, good morning, or good evening in English if needed. Politeness matters more than perfect words. A simple excuse me or thank you said kindly means a lot. Download a translation app with the Japanese pack for offline use. Use the camera mode to read menus or signs. Every vowel in Japanese is pronounced clearly, so even if you try a few phrases, locals will appreciate the effort. Safety, laws, and everyday customs. Tokyo is one of the safest cities in the world. Crime rates are low. Lost items often get turned in. Still, stay aware. For help, look for a small police box, often found on many corners. In emergencies, dial 110 for police, or 119 for ambulance or fire. Nightlife areas like Shinjuku and Roppongi can be lively. Expect touts, people calling you into bars. Ignore them politely, never follow. Enjoy nightlife responsibly. Public drinking is legal, but loud or disruptive behavior is not. Drug laws are extremely strict. Even small amounts can lead to serious trouble. Street smoking is restricted, look for marked smoking areas. Some restaurants still allow it indoors, ask if needed. The drinking age is 20. Carry ID, because by law, foreigners must carry their passports. Japan is earthquake prone, but buildings are very safe. If one hits, stay calm, get low, protect your head, and avoid glass. Typhoon season runs late summer. If a storm is coming, stay indoors and follow news alerts. Don't jaywalk. Locals wait for the light, even when no cars are coming. Avoid eating or drinking while walking or on local trains. And blow your nose privately, never at the table. Essential apps, transit cards, and tech. Navigation is easy with Google Maps. It shows train platforms, times, and walking routes. Download offline maps just in case. For transit, get a Suica or PASMO card. Tap to enter and exit stations. It works on nearly all trains, subways, and buses, and even vending machines or convenience stores. You can add Suica to your phone wallet and reload it by card. Always tap out when leaving the station to avoid extra charges. Other helpful apps. Smart X for bullet train seats. Didi or Japan Taxi for cabs. Restaurant review apps for finding good food. Travel apps like Klook or Viator for booking tours and passes. Connectivity. ESIMs are easy and fast. Pocket Wi-Fi works well for groups. If you prefer, use your carrier's roaming plan, just confirm pricing first. Bring a power bank, travel days can be long. Plugs are Type A, same as in the US, but voltage is lower, 100 volts. Your chargers will work fine. 3-prong plugs may need a simple adapter. Money, cash, and ATMs. Japan uses the yen. Cash is still king in many places. Use 7-Eleven ATMs, Japan Post, or Family Mart ATMs for foreign cards. They offer English menus and fair rates. Expect large 10,000 yen notes, stores can break them easily. Many hotels, malls, and chain restaurants accept cards, but smaller eateries often take cash only. Carry at least enough for a day's expenses. Visa and MasterCard are widely accepted, some shops accept Tap Pay. Never tip, it's not expected. Use the tray at checkout for payment. Tax-free shopping is available on larger purchases. Bring your passport to the register. You may receive sealed bags that must stay unopened until departure. Food budgeting is friendly, ramen-style meals cost around $8 to $12. Lunch sets about $10. Dinner with drinks about $30. Museums and shrines are inexpensive. Transit is affordable. Dining like a local keeps costs low. Getting around Tokyo. Tokyo's rail system is huge, but beautifully organized. The main circle line connects major areas, while subways fill in the gaps. Tap in with your transit card, ride, and tap out. Trains run every few minutes. Transfers are clearly marked in English. Rush hour is intense around 7:30 to 9:30 in the morning, and 5 to 7:30 at night. If packed, remove your backpack and hold it low. Some lines have women-only cars during rush check signs. Lines are labeled with letters and numbers. Exits are numbered, follow the one closest to your destination. Buses cover areas where trains don't go. Tap to board and again to exit if required. Taxis are spotless and safe. Doors open automatically, don't touch them. They accept cards or transit cards. After midnight, expect a small surcharge. Show the driver your destination on a map if needed. From the airports. From Narita, take the Narita Express or Skyliner. From Haneda, take the monorail or Kaikyu line. Airport buses are convenient for hotels. A nationwide rail pass can be worth it if you plan to travel long distances across Japan, but not for just Tokyo. Trains generally run from 5 in the morning until midnight. Miss the last train, and it's taxi time. Escalator etiquette: stand on the left, walk on the right, at least in Tokyo. Offer your seat to anyone who needs it. Eating is fine on bullet trains, but not on local commuter trains. Always take your trash with you. Food and dining insights. Tokyo is paradise for food lovers. At ramen shops, you'll often buy a ticket from a machine, hand it to staff, and enjoy. Slurping noodles is fine, it's a compliment. Sushi ranges from conveyor belt casual to elegant, high-end counters. Dip fish side into soy sauce, not the rice. Casual pubs known for small plates are great for groups. Expect a small cover charge and a complimentary starter dish. Department store basements have incredible ready-made meals and desserts, perfect for a picnic or an easy dinner. Staff will greet you warmly when you enter. Use a polite "excuse me" if you need help. Many tables have a call button. Lift small bowls to eat. Sharing dishes is normal. Reservations are needed for top restaurants, sometimes only through a hotel concierge. Vegetarian or vegan travelers should check menus in advance, since fish broth is common. Halal and gluten-free options exist, but plan ahead. Temple cuisine is often fully vegetarian. At the end of a meal, simply say thank you and smile. Don't miss convenience store meals, festival snacks, or train station lunch boxes. Everyday food here can be amazing. Lodging and staying comfortably. Hotels range from luxury to efficient business stays. Rooms are smaller than US standards, but spotless. Traditional inns offer floor mats, futons, robes, and local meals, a highlight for many travelers. Check-in is usually 3 p.m., check-out around 10 or 11 a.m. Early check-in is rare, but luggage storage is almost always free. Hotels must photocopy foreign passports by law. Rooms often use keycards to power the lights. Expect high-tech toilets, slippers, and pajamas. Airbnb-style rentals are legal only if licensed. Verify before booking. Public baths and hot springs require nudity and separate areas for men and women. Wash thoroughly before entering. Some traditional baths still restrict tattoos, but modern hotels are flexible. During busy seasons, cherry blossom, autumn leaves, and New Year, book early. Always keep your volume low. No tipping. Return slippers to their place. Check out by simply handing over your key or using express checkout. Internet and connectivity. Japan makes staying connected easy. Choose between eSIM, SIM card, pocket Wi-Fi, or your phone's roaming plan. Pocket Wi-Fi is perfect for groups. eSIM is great for solo travelers. Wi-Fi is available in hotels, cafes, and stations, but not everywhere. Have your own data for navigation and translation. Public Wi-Fi may require an email login. Use a VPN for safety. Messaging apps work as usual. Japan's main local app is different, but WhatsApp and email are fine. Country code is +81. Download offline Google Maps and save directions. Bring a power bank. Outlets are Type A, same as in the US. All your chargers will work fine. Behavior adjustments for Americans. In Tokyo, quiet equals respect. Keep your voice low. No speakerphone in public. Avoid eating while walking. Be punctual. Trains, tours, and appointments run on time. Be polite but calm. No public arguments or loud displays. Stand on the left side of escalators, walk on the right. Always line up and wait your turn. Offer your seat to elders, parents, or anyone in need. When receiving something, use both hands. Bow slightly in thanks. A sincere thank you works in every situation. Dress neatly and modestly. Keep shirts on and shoes on when appropriate. If unsure how to act, watch what locals do and follow their